The Ethical Times, Vicki Huffnagel, Suzanne Summers, Part 10, expose on the behaviors of Suzanne and Alan Hamel. Many of you know that I wrote about No More Menopause way back in the 80s and have the thousands of women got that brochure and first part of the book. I later published with Brown and Little. I had a contract with them on No More Menopause. And here's another copy of No More Menopause. And I'm doing a new copy, which I'm including everything about Suzanne and Alan. The plagiarism, the theft, trying to destroy my work, destroy me, destroy my family, all of the things they did. Here's what you don't know. And we were partners in a business. We both owned a building together. That building housed the first Institute for Reproductive Health, the first not-for-profit on reproductive health and reproductive health issues. I worked to write laws to protect you, women out there, and authored the informed consent laws in the nation, and from what I've been told, I'm the only physician to write state mandates to protect patients. This was done in New York, it was done in California, and it was done in Texas, and I paid a big price for it. I paid my career for speaking out and being the gadfly that I am, and I am a gadfly. In that building, we also had a library, which is, if you look back, it's in the New York Times, it's in many, many publications. We had the first women's healthcare library, where you could go, get videos, read books, and go online and have a librarian there to help you get any of the information you needed. This was a not-for-profit library for women. It existed. Also, I had been collecting ancient artifacts for a museum on women's health care, including speculums from Rome. I mean, an incredible collection, tables showing exam tables from the past. Alan Hamel and Suzanne decided to economically be won over on me, and when I proceeded to go into a non-for-profit, not practice medicine, and lease out my space in order to do all the charity work I wanted to do, they stopped paying the mortgage. This caused a forced sale on the building and closed the only center doing the research on female reconstructive surgery in the nation. The only center working on plasma state operations, new formulas, the only center of its kind. All of you women out there who've had poor outcomes, bad outcomes, trying to find options, it was Suzanne and Alan Hamel who pushed the door closed and forced the sale of that building. They closed HERBODY, the Center for Female Reconstructive Surgery, and the Institute for Women's Reproductive Rights. All about money, and the building could have been maintained and still made profitable, but it was Alan's decision that he was moving on and doing something else. And there's more to come on this. This is the Ethical Times, expose number 10, Suzanne Summers.